Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily generate the fully personalized Apple Music playlist with the help of ChatGPT on your iPhone and iPad. So whether you are in the mood for workout tracks, relaxing vibes, or party hits, or a specific genre, ChatGPT can now help you create the perfect playlist in just a few seconds. So no more endless searching, just smart music recommendations tailored to your taste. So let's get started and fully transform the way you discover music on Apple Music. So first you have to launch the ChatGPT app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to tap on your profile located in the left sidebar. After that, you have to head over to the account settings and choose the apps option. Then you have to tap on browse apps option. After that, you have to choose Apple Music in the extensions library. Then you have to tap on the connect option and choose connect Apple Music option. And then you have to go through the on-screen prompts to sign into your Apple account and permit the access request, and that's about it. From now on, you can easily request custom playlists based on your mood, favorite artists, genres, or even specific decades. You can also ask for song recommendations anytime. Once ChatGPT generates a playlist, you'll be able to preview each track and save the entire playlist directly to your Apple Music library by tapping the Create Playlist in the Apple Music option. And if you prefer, you can also save individual songs using the plus button. The Apple Music extension works with both free and paid ChatGPT accounts, so anyone can use it. You don't need an Apple Music subscription to search the music catalog, generate playlists, or even listen to 30-second preview clips. However, an active music subscription is required if you want to save playlists or tracks to your library. So keep this important thing in your mind, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily generate fully personalized Apple Music playlists with the help of ChatGPT on your iOS and iPadOS device. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it to spice up your music time, and I'll catch you up in the next one.